Okay guys, here we go. I got all these welded, as you can tell. You can't glare off the light, but all those are welded. So it gives me my perfect little step. Now, I messed up. I only had 1/2 inch plywood, but I think that's gonna work to my advantage anyway, because it's gonna put the foam about 3/4 of an inch down in here instead of a 1/2 inch. And now I got the foam. I'll have to get the foam cut, but that's the basic step right there. I still have to get some screws, still have to put the legs on it, but that's how it looks. So far so good. That gives me enough room to put the material and the foam and make a neat little bench for my dogs. This is just get up on the bed, and I got probably 4 or 5 hours in it, where I could have went just to the store and bought one, but there you go. Pretty neat little step. And then under here, of course, you see where I can drill through those and put some 1/2 inch wood screws just to hold down the top. And I think the dogs are going to be more appreciative of this. I hope. It gives them a wider step, taller step. So then we'll have to put a video of it on them using it. So, all right, I'll get back to you when I get some more hardware and make a store run. Okay, guys, I'm going to do some apologizing. This is going to be, I guess, this is officially going to be part 2 of this doggy step. I recorded a whole bunch of stuff last night, and I was going to post a video, and I lost everything. I don't know why. So let me back up and regroup. I made my little tabs to screw my plywood to. I got the plywood cut. It fits in here. It's in the house. We're putting the fabric on it. But all the stuff that I really lost that I wanted to show y'all last night was I made some gussets to go right here, and the leg's gonna be welded on first, and I'm gonna weld on this gusset, and I put these in here. And I lost all that footage last night of how I made these, and it really made me mad, but there's nothing I can do about it. So let me go ahead and weld the leg on, and then weld that gusset on, and I'll show you what it looks like. But the information I lost last night also was my plywood was only a 1/2 inch thick, so there's going to be about a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch right here of that foam underneath the step. So it's going to look really, really good. Had to run and go get these this morning. These bolts, I didn't have enough last night, and that was in that video too. But I welded them to there, and then I cut them off. So that's about what they're going to look like. I'm going to take the wire wheel over the whole thing and probably clear coat it. But let me get back to work, and I'll take some more video here in a minute. So guys, that's about what my idea was. It kind of breaks up the corner, and it gives it a kind of a different look. Probably going way too far out for a doggy step, but I love my dogs. So there you go. What do y'all think of that? And then I'll do one over there on that side, and then we'll get the fabric put over the foam on the cardboard, or the plywood. I don't know why I said cardboard, but that's basically what it's going to look like. I'm going to do these other 3 legs, and I'll get back to you and show you what it looks like after I wire wheel it. Okay guys, there's the almost finished product. Got my gussets welded on with my bolts, make it look like it's bolted together. I got my, I think I said this in the last part of the video, I got my tabs on. I just have to drill through them now. We're fixing to sew the fabric to the, or staple the fabric to the plywood, and this will be done. I'm going to polyurethane it, which I gotta go pick some of that up. I'm gonna have about $50 in this little project for some dogs, but they're worth it. The other side looks like that. Not bad looking at all. Got the bolt looking effects. But I'm gonna polyurethane it because I saw in another YouTube video, and I can't remember who the guy was, or I'd give him a shout out. He polyurethaned it, and it kind of gave it the black sheen that the metal has when you first pick it up. And by request, somebody wants a black sheen, so I'm gonna have to put the black sheen on it somehow. So anyway, that's what it looks like, guys. I'll get it sprayed with the polyurethane, and then I'll see what it looks like after that. Okay, guys, still working on this doggy step. It's almost complete. As you can tell, we got the foam on it, and got the material that still needs to be stretched a little bit, and of course, you know, access up down here needs to be cut off. But that's the material we went with, kind of a camouflage seam. So that should give you the overall idea of what it looks like. This is almost done, so I'm not going to make any more videos of it, but that's the almost completed doggy step. So if you like what I'm doing, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment, negative criticisms, y'all bring it on. Thank y'all.